Today, we'll use these 4 cells, the BMS, and all the parts, to build a 12 volts and 100 ampere hour battery pack. First, let's check the cell voltage. 3.348 volts. 3.348 volts. 3.348 volts. And 3.348 volts. Now we can begin the battery pack assembly. First, mount the metal side holders onto plastic side holders. And fix with screws. Put the cells into plastic holders. Remember to put each cell positive pole next to the negative pole of nearby cell, so that we can connect them in series with bus bars afterwards. And get them fixed with the front and back metal holders. Now the cells are fixed. We can start wiring. Get the wire harness into place. Connect the negative copper connector and corresponding data collecting wire of wire harness with the negative of the first cell. Connect corresponding data collecting wire onto the second cell, and connect the positive of second cell and the negative of third cell in series with bus bars. Temperature sensing wire. Connect the temperature sensing wires and corresponding data collecting wire with the cells, and connect the positive of the first cell and the negative of the second cell in series with bus bars. Continue to connect the temperature sensing wires and corresponding data collecting wire with the cells, and connect the positive of the third cell and the negative of the fourth cell in series with bus bars. Connect the positive copper connector and corresponding data collecting wire of wire harness with the positive of the fourth cell. Tighten the screws with adjustable torque screwdriver to make sure the best performance of the battery cells. The suggested torsion is around 4.5. Then get the top cover installed. Get the BMS holder in the place and fixed with screws. The battery is complete. Get the battery box and put an EVA content at the bottom. Put the battery module into the box. Get the BMS and the box cover. Connect the wire harness, switch wire, and RS485 wire with BMS. Put the BMS in the right position and fix with screws. Connect the battery main negative with BMS negative. Connect the BMS positive terminals with copper connector. Get the box cover in the place. Connect battery main negative with the negative connector on the box. Connect the battery main positive with the positive connector of the box. Get the cover assembled. Check the battery pack voltage with multimeter. Turn on the battery pack. The voltage reading is 13.38 volts. Turn off the battery pack. So the 12 volts 100 ampere hour battery pack assembly is finished.